Welcome to Kernaro AI. In this walkthrough, we'll explore how Kernaro AI's report builder can instantly generate detailed reports from your enterprise architecture models. I begin by prompting Kernaro AI to generate an Excel report that lists every application, its subdomain, and the domains connected to each subdomain. In seconds, Kernaro AI understands the model structure and compiles a clean, organized Excel report, complete with all applications, their associated subdomains, and connected domains. Once the report is ready, Kernaro AI provides a downloadable link, making it easy to review, share, or collaborate with your team. Next, I ask Kernaro AI to enhance the report, this time including the GUID and notes for every element type. Kernaro AI processes the instruction and updates the report while keeping the previous context intact. The enhanced Excel now includes application name and notes, subdomain name, GUID, and notes domain name, GUID notes. That's how Kernaro AI's report builder transforms the way reports are created. If you want to learn more about Kernaro AI, book a demo. We look forward to hearing from you.